We really need to teach our parents how to use emojis correctly because my mom was just texting me about the fires that are happening in California, and I was saying how it's super sad because a lot of people lost their homes and some people even passed away. But in response to saying this, my mom sends me a message that says, yeah, apparently over 20 people have already passed away from the fire. But that wasn't the end of the message. You know what she sent right after that? 3 emojis, and it was the fire emoji, the skull emoji, and the freaky ghost emoji that sticks its tongue out. The emojis literally made it sound like she was telling a joke, and I was like, Mom, that is not the right context to use those. But then I sent the skull emoji after saying that, so she was like, why are you allowed to use the skull emoji in that text, but I can't use it in mine? And it made me realize, I was like, dang, she's right, because her situation was actually appropriate for the skull emoji while mine wasn't. But because we've changed the meaning of the emoji, it just doesn't fit there. Please teach your parents what the emojis mean.